Watch the dime. It turns into a Bitcoin. EvanEraTV.com. What's good? Welcome back to EvanEraTV. I am your host, Evan Era. If you want to get a free $10 in Bitcoin, go to the link in the description and sign up for Coinbase using my referral link. You'll get $10 in free Bitcoin and I'll get $10 in free Bitcoin. You can also check out my Robinhood link and get free stock. Both of those links are in the description. There's no better time to get into cryptocurrency. So if you haven't gotten a Bitcoin yet, use the link in the description and sign up now. Standard issue US dime here. Check this out. Watch what happens on the count of 3 when I drop the dime into my hand. 1, 2, 3. And it turns into a Bitcoin. Just like that. If you know how this trick is done, leave it in the comments down below. I'm gonna go through and read all the comments to see who can figure this trick out. Where's all my geniuses at? I've actually got a bunch of these Dogecoins and these real life Bitcoins. Should I give some of these away to you guys? If you wanna win one, leave a comment down below. Let me know. Maybe I'll give some of these away. Here's another really easy way to get a Bitcoin. Take any quarter. Here's a Bitcoin. It's just a bite out quarter. Available now at EvanEraTV.com. This is the shark game. We play this every day, and Eric, my producer, who's holding the camera, is awful at this game. Seems like he loses every time he does it. So we're gonna play a quick game. First tooth, boom. Ooh. Dude, this is longer than you've ever gone. Wow, this is impressive. Who do you think it's gonna be, me or Eric? Leave it in the comments. Ooh, see, every time. He's so evil. This is our outdoor rabbit hutch. This is where Sir Bun Bun McHopatus IV lives. And also our other rabbit, Coco. They both live in here, and it's getting kind of cold out here, so we're actually gonna move these guys inside. Now, rabbits can survive living outside in the winter, obviously, but these guys are pets, and their water started to freeze up, so I figure it's time to go inside. So we're down here in my basement. This is gonna be their temporary home for the winter. Go on, guys. You remember this spot. There you go. Out you go.
Go! Go! Live your life!
Dust off this vlog camera. This is meta. You're editing the vlog that I'm currently filming right now. I think Ava's downstairs. If you guys didn't know, the entire EvanEraTV.com operation runs right here from my basement. So if you order from us, if you order from EvanEraTV.com, you're supporting my small family business. You're not supporting like Amazon, some giant conglomerate. Ava's play area is on the other side of the basement. Check out this Lego roller coaster she just did. Super cool. What are you doing over there? Say hi to the vlog. You're all grown up. How old are you now?
12.
Stop growing up so fast. You stop it. What are these guys doing?
Like, I tried to do this, but this one is just doing.
You can't get, oh, okay, we need the metal thing. This is Coco. Say hi, Coco. She's an older rabbit. She is like 5 years old. This is Ava's favorite here. You want Coco? Is that your favorite rabbit? No?
Well, yeah, probably. Well, Coco likes me. Bun likes you.
I guess. I don't know if Bun likes anybody. Do you see we got the tree up? You have to help me decorate it. This is our new trick that we have available in the shop. It's called the Fantastic. See, it's got a bunch of different colored little cubes on it, and it's the same on both sides. There's like pink and blue and orange and green, and another pink, and then like white, okay? Think of a number between 1 and 6.
3.
3, okay, so check this out. 1, 2, 3, and we land on green, right?
Yeah.
So watch, if I just wave over the stick, it looks like
How?
it changes green, and it's like that on both sides. Look. Isn't that crazy? Coco likes it to. Okay, here is how to do the magic rainbow stick. I'm gonna teach you the secret to it right now. So this comes with everything you need. It comes with the little rainbow stick, and the secret is very simple. It's a really simple sleight of hand move. Now, as you can see on one side, it is one solid color, but flip it over on the other side and you have this variety of 6 different colors here. Now, this all comes down to one simple move. It's called the paddle move. As you flip the thing over, you're simply going to twist it in your fingers. So flip and twist, and it looks like you're just turning it over, but you're actually just showing the same side no matter which way it's held. So that's really the entire key to the trick. Is you show the rainbow stick, you tell them, I have a little rainbow stick, it's the same on both sides as you can see, and just think of a number between 1 and 6. Now, no matter what they say, you're going to land on green. If they say 1, you go O-N-E. If they say 2, you go T-W-O. If they say 3, you go 1, 2, 3. If they say 4, you go F-O-U-R. If they say 5, F-I-V-E. And if they say 6, S-I-X. So no matter what they say, they land on the color that you want them to every single time. Now, the move of changing the color is simply covering it with your hand as you flip it over. So you want to make sure the stick is fully covered with your hand as you twist it, and it looks like the stick changes entirely into the color that they chose. Now you can do the paddle move again and show it on both sides, and the stick has completely changed into their chosen color. Available now at EvanEraTV.com. Get a magic rainbow stick today. Magic ambigrams. Do you know what an ambigram is? An ambigram is a set of writing or a drawing that when viewed from one direction looks like it says one thing, but then when you turn it upside down, it looks like it says the same thing or something completely different. This is my name, Evan. This is an ambigram that I did. This way it says E-V-A-N, my name, and if you flip it the other way, it still says E-V-A-N. This is another magic ambigram that I did. As you can see, this way it says EvanEra, but if you flip it the other way, it says magic. So magic, flip it, EvanEra. Try making your own magic ambigram at home and see what combinations you can come up with. Hey, so this is the end of the video. I did something a little bit different on this one. Let me know if you like it in the comments, and I might do more vlog style videos like this. Just wanted to check in with you guys. We haven't had like a heart-to-heart, one-on-one conversation in quite some time. It's all just been kind of cut and dry with the magic, and I wanted to check in with you and let you know what's going on in my life. I didn't really give you a tour of the studio or a tour of my house or really any of that, so if you want to see any of that stuff, tune in next week, and we're going to do another vlog style video like this. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, shout out to Liquid Death Mountain Water for hooking us up with all the free water. What else? Be sure to support us on EvanEraTV.com, my online magic shop, and stay tuned for an episode of How To Magic coming later this week. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys. Tired of the same old boring magic tricks? Sick of complicated illusions that just leave you feeling frustrated? Well, get ready to say goodbye to disappointing audience reaction. Try EvanEraTV.com. Amazing magic tricks that are super easy to do. No more fumbling with complicated tricks. Now you look like a pro with no practice at all. From beginner to expert, EvanEraTV.com has all your magic needs. A huge selection of over 100 different illusion, mystify, confuse, and amaze your friends. You'll be getting the audience reactions you deserve in no time. There you go, eat up, little buddy. Nothing tastes sweeter than a job well done. But wait, there's more. Get a free live rabbit with every order. That's not true. But wait, there's more! A huge selection of funny pranks to pull on your friends and family. But wait, there's more! EvanEra merch, Laugh at Life gear, shirts, hoodies, hats, and more. But wait, there's more! Our selection of magic stuffed animals. Head over to EvanEraTV.com now while supplies last. Ah!